I'm say hi.
Deuces. I don't want that. I want to ask
say
what that is.
It's Mugen. Whip right and call right back. Niggas red. I look like that.
On me? I'm red as shit.
It's good. But you need suntan lotion.
I got suntan lotion, dog. I didn't even put it on, dog. I gotta put it on again.
What was you gonna say first?
Huh?
What was you gonna say first?
I have suntan lotion.
I gotta put it on for you?
Yeah.
Fuck you!
Come on, bro. Help me.
Yo, Danny, try not to walk in the camera.
Fuck your camera.
Fuck you, nigga. This is all like last day and beach day, so I did the whole line. Posted that shit on Facebook.
He got my shirt.
Oh, wow. Damn. Tell him to take that shit off, man. There's only one of them shirts around here.
Wow.
Tell you what.
What
a biter, right?
First one too, though.
Biters, what?
Fuck that nigga, bro.
Stupid ass
real
nigga.
Shit.
Bitch ass nigga. I hope my battery don't die. I didn't bring my regular camera.
You don't got the car charger?
Yeah. But I'm trying to get through the whole line without.
Is that the one that was working? Hey, watch out, bro.
Wow. Yo, get out of the camera, man.
Who are you talking to like that?
Yo, big ass.
The fuck up. I don't like the convertible.
Nigga, that color is trash.
Oh, that nigga went. Yo, you still going? That nigga's still going. Yeah, let's go, let's go.
My arm is getting tired.
Another nigga biting with the shoes, bro.
Damn, nigga, tell that fuck nigga take them shoes. See, I'll bring my like my co-worker. I got the videos and he got the pictures.
You get the quick glimpse and he get the, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like,
the extra detail.
That's
what I'm saying.
I'm getting like only good pictures.
That's what I'm saying.
Get that.
Shit is wild.
I wonder how much video I can hold. Niggas chilling in the tent.
Yo, y'all huddle up. Get in the tent.
Bust me down. Some nice video right here. Kudo Racing. I'd say there's more cars out here than last JDM Beach Day.
You think so?
Which was whack. Anyway. Look at these wheels right here, yo.
That's my question.
My nigga right here. For sale, east side.
I'll probably get like $3 to get like chips. Take that damn camera.
And here we start east side. East side. He got mad shit on his car.
That shit is beautiful.
It's one of the sexiest ones out here, eh?
That 4-door is right there.
That's just, this nigga's east side.
I need to come on. I need to come on. I need to get something to come on.
Whoa. I try to get niggas in the video too. Huh? I try to get niggas in the video too. So they see themselves. Shit is on right now.
Yeah, he's been trying to get that. Hold on.
$10 minutes right now.
Dang, we've been walking for 10 longer than 10 minutes. Yeah.
Double that. That was that joke.
Yeah.
That was that joke. You see him? You straight up like him. You seen the video on World Star about that nigga dressed up like Wiz and people were taking pictures? Niggas were taking pictures with a fake Wiz.
What the fuck is wrong with that?
Shit is dumb right now. Rude boy! Rude boy! Oh. Huh? You like that. I see your eyes.
Hey, Ashley, that was love. That was my love. I was right here, then it goes start from right there. Damn, G, it's just me and you.
Yo, throw this somewhere?
Throw it. I'm already done.
Oh yeah, I can see Lou driving this.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is probably one of the cleanest ones.
Yeah, it's clean.
Not the run. The headlights.
Just the Honda symbol in the headlights. Alright, you gotta go that way more. Because I'm too close to the car.
Oh, touch my eyes.
Yeah. This guy's shirt right here.
Damn, this Tiger's beautiful. Color.
Huh?
Color on this Tiger is nice.
My neck is sweating.
My feet hurt so bad.
This is Aubrey. Oh shit.
What? Perfect. Oh, dang.
You got pulled over? Damn. Oh, I just want to fuck something.
Make sure you get the Eagle Talon, but slow motion. G-shit.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna have to jump in the water again.
What?
Niggas sleeping. Yo, wake up!
Want to go wake that up? Want to get in the video? Want to get in the video?
The pressure that
Come
nigga?
on, we're only right there.
Nah. The wave is looking beautiful. Shit is crowded, yo. Are we walking more?
I can't, my feet hurt, dog. Let's save that for after we get out the water.
Alright, I'm gonna put my phone on the charger.
With the key in the car.
Shit is looking alright right now, yo.
Well,